guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little unboxing video of the new helmet I just got. So I'm super excited. I picked it up. Yeah, I can't wait to show you. All right, let's get to it. So here's the box that it comes in. As you can see, it is a Marvel. It's a special edition helmet. Let's go ahead and open it up. So we're gonna go ahead and slide this off. With this nice Marvel box here. As you can see, it is a HJC helmet. So it is the RPHA 11 Pro helmet. Here's the manual that comes with it. We're gonna put this on the side. Here is nice sticker and decal. I love it. All right. Here's some more manuals. Alright, let's open it up. I gotta say, this is a really nice packaging. It's nice and thick. There's some nice styrofoam on the side. Even the top lid is solid and thick. And I had two helmets before that one, and I gotta say, the ones on the lower and cheaper side, the boxes are a little bit more flimsy. So you can definitely see the price point and quality in this HJC helmet. So this comes with two visors. Here's the smoked one. So both visors are pin lock ready, as you can see right here. So this is one of the visors. We're gonna put this right here. Here is the pin lock shield with the instructions. And again, as you can see, it's all included. And here's the helmet. All right. So I'm gonna put the hat. Go ahead. Put this on the side. All right, let's get to it. I'm super excited. So the helmet that I'm currently using is the Scorpion EXO R2000, I believe is the exact model. I have the review video of it that I posted a few months ago. And that helmet I got in extra large. This one is large. It's a little bit more snug, which I like. The other one was slightly big. So, alright. Let's open this a little bit more. Here it is. So as you guys can see, you can tell it is the Marvel Carnage limited edition helmet, which is absolutely amazing. I have a red bike and I love this thing. The way it looks, the way it feels, the finish, the vents, the visor, the lock here, the vents. You can open them, close them right here. Here's the visor. The inserts and the cheek pads are really nice quality. It's really premium material. So I'm gonna take some footage, some video off of it, put it in the video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, oh, one more thing I forgot to show you this. So they include these stickers that go over your visor. So this essentially to finish up the eyes right here. So there's two sets of them. Obviously one is for the tinted one is for the regular. So the way it looks, it just essentially goes like around right here over the visor. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll be right back to show you how it looks like.